I was looking for a small bookshelf that looked very rustic, so I picked up, oh, this thing is heavy, this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. This is actually way heavier than it looks. It's not that big of a box, but in this box is a Rustic pipe-based small bookcase, and I think it will be just perfect for holding some stuff without holding a lot of stuff, but have a nice, casual, approachable look and feel to it. So this is what we've got here in the box. So we get some straps and some anchors, I think, to hold this against the wall, which is always very important. I do want to show you here that like all the pipe pieces are individually wrapped. So I guess you're not going to have to worry about them getting beat up, but man, they are heavy, and this is what is causing the weight of this guy. So you can see we have black pipe pieces. I mean, these are legit. They're not fake. I mean, you know, they are threaded, probably pieces that you could go to Home Depot and buy, but they are already assembled for the most part to perform the functions that you need them to. They have numbers on all of them, so I will be following the instructions very closely. Kind of looks like a rifle barrel or something. I'm surprised that the little couplers here aren't on very tight, but maybe they need to be loose so that you can adjust them for size or something. So just lots of them. I think this is maybe the top piece. You can see how it's curved there, and that's what I really liked. I liked the exposed pipe look because not only is that kind of rustic, but it also makes it look like it was made from parts that you had lying around your workshop, which is kind of funny that we pay now a premium for furniture that looks like it was made in a shop. I mean, I know people pay $100 for like a tree stump chair, you know, which is just like a log. So, all right, we got a lot of that. And then underneath here, I'm assuming we have all of the shelving. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting this up, and we'll take a look at what it looks like. All right, I looked through the instructions, and I think if you just have the image on the front of the instruction manual here, you are all set and ready to rock. Because as you can see, we have these poles that go between the shelves. We have the curved top pieces that look like handles, and then we have the bottom feet piece. And these are the bottom feet piece, these are the curved top pieces, and I think that's gonna be pretty simple. I don't even know that there's a top and bottom to this. This is just gonna go in here like this, and then you are going to take one of these pieces and then kind of screw it on there, just like that, thread it on there, and then continue to do the same thing all the way to the bottom. And this should be pretty quick to set up, but we're gonna find out. All right, just finished assembling this. I'll tell you what, it was maybe the easiest shelf I've ever assembled, or bookcase, and it's not very big. It stands about 4 feet tall. I do like the look of this. This is not just bare pipe. Obviously, it's been painted or powder coated black or something, so you get that rustic kind of homemade look without getting like that metal dust and corrosion that you might get if you actually made it out of pipe. You know, these are like laminate boards. They're pretty thin, they're very light, but they look pretty good. I mean, that wood grain pattern that they have simulated on there looks pretty good, and it just looks pretty nice. You know, we get 4 shelves here, and you can put some tall stuff up here because, you know, you could have anything you want, really, as tall as you want, go up to the ceiling. But I like the way it looks. We could take off these little stickers here, and it's pretty inexpensive, like $45 I think I paid for this, and really simple to assemble. So if you're looking for something that has a little bit of that homemade, rustic, Midwest look and is very functional, especially the size here is only maybe 12 or 13 inches wide, you know, this could fit in the corner of any room or an office, or you know, between chairs or something like that, man, I think this one is going to do me good. So if you want to pick this one up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.